Video we'll talk about a simple example, a function in a PHP string position, how it works. um, let's create a file, str position dot php. So what this um, string position actually do, so let us create an example like echo. Hope you are able to see this. Echo string position. See here, find the position of first occurrence of a substring in a string. So let us see what it organized. PHP basics str dot php. So it is finding it is sending that first occurrence of the see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 first occurrence is. So if I am giving you, then it won't show. Why? Because there is no u in the string which we have added. So this can be used in any project based on our requirement, in what string you are trying to find in a given string. Then based on that you can add a few checks. Hope you have understood this. From I'll be posting this kind of small examples more often. Yeah, thanks.